How's it going, everybody? We have the John Deere 4555 and the FP240, and you see the haylage head is off it. We have some maintenance and some repairs to do today. Like I said, you see the haylage head is off it. You could tell my dad did third cut the other day. There wasn't much of it, but you could tell it was dry and dusty, so I gotta go around and clean it. Get everything all greased up, cleaned up, and then when he started chopping, he realized the wheel bearing was very bad. So I got some other bearings. I'm going to pop that off and replace the bearings in that, and hopefully get everything buttoned up. We're just about out of corn silage, so we want to go out and chop a load tonight. Don't really like feeding green corn silage, but at this point we don't have a choice. We're gonna go down to where the sweet corn is, and a lot of the varieties that have already been picked and it's been done, they're starting to dry out right up, so we're gonna chop that up. And then there's a field up the road that's a short season corn. We're gonna chop that, put it in the silo. I am not gonna put in the plate for the kernel processor because at this point they're still all of it, especially with sweet corn with all the sugars in there, and with it being so early in the season, all it would really do is just kind of gum up the roller. So not going to do that. So we got this on blocks. I'm going to pop this off now and see if I can get things taken apart. Got this castle nut. So we got our new bearings in there, so we're gonna set this back in. That looks a lot better. Just gotta get the cap on and call it good. So like I said before, you could tell second cut and third cut and we're so dry. Ugh. Time to get this cleaned out. Ugh, dry stuff. So we got these 3 springs right here. This is the for tension for the Careful Buddy. Tension, yeah, you're gonna get some grease on you. Oh, your mom's gonna be mad now. The thing your uncle lets you do. Just wipe it right on your clothes, you'll be fine. There you go. So, we got the 3 springs here. It's for tension for the head pickup. For haylage, we leave the middle one right where it is, and we bring the 2 in about this much, and that makes the haylage head float pretty good. The corn head Careful Buddy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the springs out before we put the corn head on. All right, it's gonna be loud. Time to get the corn head. So the head's on. You want to make sure these metal tabs go on the outside of this roll, and then that part that goes on there, it's just that goes on. You have this part that goes in, the pin goes through, just like that on the other side. I'm going to hook up this shaft right now. Now we are hooked up. I'm going to leave the shields open right now. That way, I got to go run down to Napa, down in town, and get some chain oil spray that we're out of. So I'm going to grab a couple cans of a few things. So you want to follow me down with a either tractor, doesn't matter. I'm not going to make a full load, so you come down to 29. Alright, I'm going to put all this stuff away. You're good to go. Okay. So we're all put together, and he's going to run down, go to where the sweet corn is, and some of the older varieties, the first couple of varieties he picked, obviously they're all picked and bumpy. They're all picked and everything. They're starting to dry out. So he's going to chop them. He's not going to make a full load. He's just going to chop some just so we can feed it. I'll just feed it out of the wagon right now. I got the 2940. I'm running down. So right here you can see the rows were planted this way, where these were starting to go this way. It kind of matches in right here. and he's gonna come right through and just, he won't have to stop or anything. He'll be able to go right through with that rotary corn head. Not bad for sweet corn. Got some in my mouth. I'm gonna try it. Delicious. All right, so normally I wouldn't haul the silage wagons with the 2940, but he didn't fill it right up. He, like I said, we're just chopping a load so we can feed. We're gonna get all set up at the corn silage silo and go up the road and hit a chop a field in there, put that in there. It's about 10 acres. It's a real rocky field. If you guys have been following or subscribed to the channel for a while, it's that field that he was playing in that was like all rock. We're gonna go up there and chop that one, get that in there so we can get that in the silo and get the cows eating that, and then we'll just chop out more of this as we need it. And the bag is just about empty. There's like 2 more scoops left, and we're just gonna give that to the heifers. So just at the nick of time, basically, for this corn silage. But anyway, getting this back up to the barn. So, and buddy, we're going near the road, so that was a good day done. A lot of stuff done. There's a lot of cars coming right now.
There's only 2. I thought there was a lot.
There's a few. So that was a good day's worth of work. Go ahead, run, buddy, run. Got a lot of stuff done, got that load chopped, got everything done. So anyway, thumbs up if you liked the video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I really do. Don't forget to click that t-shirt icon for Mike P7810 merch, and I will see you next time. Have a good one, everybody.